Hive Productions.
Experience the passion. Rejuvenate your soul. Mount Carmel Baptist Church presents the Spring Revival and Christian Education Institute, inspiring all to move from good to great, with Pastor Raymond Bishop presenting a nightly lecture and Dr. Maurice Watson delivering the gospel message. April 12th through the 14th, beginning at 6 p.m. When you lead, you won't be able to keep the experience to yourself.
Hello, welcome to Heavenly Makeup by Lisa. We can give you a full-scale makeover, whether it's a glamorous, everyday look or a breathtaking appearance for that special day. From start to finish, we make sure your every need is catered. From apparel and accessories to facials, eyebrow arching, and lash application. From individuals to groups and bridal parties, we can accommodate your specific needs. Our customized skincare line can even be purchased in the salon or online. We can even come to you. And gentlemen, there is room here for you as well. Let us transform you. We guarantee your experience with us will truly be heavenly. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, I feel beautiful. Thank you. Heavenly Makeup by Lisa, where you can find Indy's finest fashions, makeup artists, and stylists. We hope to see you here real soon.
Join me at the Mount for our youth explosion, where I learn to let the God in me shine. It's the God in me!
The Youth Explosion will feature Pastor Bertrand Choo Choo Bailey from Dallas,
You're gonna
Texas.
have the promotion, you're gonna have the car you're gonna drive, the house you're gonna live in. When your past and your future meet up.
Beginning Sunday, May 16th at the 9 and 12 noon services, and on May 17th and 18th, 7 p.m. nightly. Sponsored by the Youth Ministry, Jeffrey Brown, Youth Pastor.
Get the God in me.
Have you ever been in any social setting, whether daytime or nighttime, and had a strong urge to take someone home and kill them?
Huh?
Have you ever dropped your kids off at a daycare or a school or been around their classmates or your nieces or nephews, friends, and had the strong urge to molest them?
What?
Well, let's look at these two scenarios.
Are you serious?
What's wrong?
Whatever. Seriously.
So why do men cheat? Why do women cheat? So again, I ask you, have you ever been in any social settings and had a strong urge to take someone home and kill them? Have you ever dropped your kid off or your niece and nephew off at a daycare or at a school and had a strong urge to molest their classmates? You might not have these problems, but other people do, and we call these people child molesters and serial killers. And that's why they get harsh prison sentences, because if placed back into that environment, they will reoffend. Now, I might ask you for a ride home from one of these social settings. Now I'm putting you in a situation to kill me if you're a serial killer, but you won't if you're not a serial killer. I might ask you to babysit my kid. Now I'm putting you in a situation to be a child molester, but if you're not a child molester, you will not molest my kid. It's the same thing for relationships. The relationship might be getting old, communication might be bad, arguing, all the above. Now I'm putting you in a situation to cheat on me. But if you're not a cheater, you won't cheat.
I got a question I want to ask everybody. Why do you think men and women cheat?
Y'all, why do you think men and women cheat? Why do you think we do it?
I think men and women cheat because
Hi, and welcome to Digital Insight, the show that puts you inside the world of digital storytelling. I'm Tanya Naylor.
And I'm Eric Crozier. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Our last episode of the season, kind of bittersweet, isn't it, Eric?
Yeah, it sure is, Tanya. You know, I'm not going to know what to do without you picking on me all the time. I've grown to love it.
Oh, Eric, I don't pick on you. We pick on each other.
Okay. I'll miss us picking on each other then.
That's right. I know, me too.
Seems like just yesterday we were here filming the first show, you know?
Yeah, the memories.
And that's what this episode of Digital Insight is all about, memories of the first season. Tonight we're going to show you some of the best moments of the show.
So sit back and enjoy the cream of the crop of the very first season of Digital Insight.
What do this woman, these cats, and this rustic landscape have in common with this man?
Digital storytelling.